Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. We are start our next chapter, Suratul Baqarah, ayat number 36 to 40. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. O my Allah, increase my knowledge. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرجهما مما كانا فيه وقلنا اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين. Translate. Then the Shaitan made them slip their from the paradise and got them out from that in which they were. We said, get you down all with enmity between yourselves on earth will be a dwelling place for you and an enjoyment for a time. Ayat number 37. فَتَلَقَّى آدَمُ مِنْ رَبِّهِ كَلِمَاتٍ فَتَابَ عَلَيْهِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. Then Adam received from his Lord word, and his Lord pardoned him, accepted his repentance. Verily, he is the one who forgives, accepts repentance, the most merciful. Ayat number 37. قُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا مِنْهَا جَمِيعًا وَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُم مِّنِّي هُدًى فَمَن تَبِعَ هُدَايَ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. We said, get down, all of you, from this place, the paradise. Then whenever there come to you guidance from me, and whoever follows my guidance, there shall be no fear, no them, nor shall they grieve. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا أُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. But those who disbelieve and believe our ayat proofs, evidence, verses, lessons, sign, revelations, such are the deliver of the fire. They shall abide therein forever. Ayat number 40. Ya Bani Israel اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوف بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون. Translate. O children of Israel, remember my favors which I bestowed upon you, and fulfill your obligations of my covenant with you, so that I fulfill my obligations to your covenant with me, and fear none but me.